Let us study chemistry together with CBSE chemistry tips and tricks. If the solubility product of copper sulfide is 6 into 10 raised to minus 16, then calculate the maximum molarity of copper sulfide in aqueous solution. So what we have to find? We have to find maximum molarity, right? Which means solubility. In a question of solubility product, if they ask maximum molarity, you have to find solubility S. In class 11, from the lesson equilibrium, we already knew, right, how to do the questions regarding solubility product. Here, copper sulfide in aqueous solution undergo partial ionization so that you are getting Cu2 plus and S2 minus, right? Now the solubility of Cu2 plus and S2 minus will be what? S, because both coefficient of Cu2 plus and S2 minus is 1, right? So S and S. Now what is KSP? S into S, which we already knew, right? Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find S. Now S into S is S square, and what is S? Root of KSP. What is that? Root of 6 into 10 raised to minus 16. On calculating, you will get 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 8 mole per liter. Remember, in a question of solubility product, if they ask maximum molarity, what we have to find? We have to find solubility. And we already find solubility for this question, right? 2.45 into 10 raised to minus 8 mole per liter.